Feeding the fishies. Look, this is the fish food. Can you see the fish in the video? Let's see. Uh-oh, saw something. Okay, not the fish. Let's, that way. Still can't see the fish. Where do I need to throw it? Here? Uh-oh, I see something. Dang, I just made the whole water go over there. Can you see them now? Oh. Okay, I think I threw it at the, yep, I just threw it in the right direction. Okay, I'm gonna just dump the whole thing. Come here, fishy. Get it, get it, get it. Look at the little black mean fish. Yep. Ooh, somebody got body slammed. Uh-oh. Stop it. No, no. Come here. Look, no, because he's bullying the baby fish. I dare you to stick your hand in the river. My hand. You already, okay. I'll do the bag. Let's see if they try to get it. You said your hand the same color as the food. Uh-oh, let me move. I want to throw the whole bag in there. Woo! That's my bag. No, it's not. Yeah, it was. This is the bag my man gave me. I just had a bag right here because I grabbed three. Your man gave you. I meant the man. I don't know where that came from. Be quiet. Chris knows what's real. I want to see if they're going to get the bag with me. You're going to kill them. I ain't going to let them do that. Come get this bag. But I'm about to fall in the damn river. Alright. Those cows here. Come here, fishies. This is all the fish food.